Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a plain background into CapCut PC. So you can either add in like backgrounds from here. This is plain. You can just like freeze frame it if you don't want the rest of the colors. Like you can kind of like zoom in and freeze frame it. Or you can go to canvas and you can select a color here. And you can just like take the image or the video and just bring it down to remove the current background. You can also add in like a plain white background. Go to adjustments and go to curves and kind of change the colors here. By doing that, I don't really know how to exactly change it, but here you can see that it turned into like this kind of purpley color. Maybe adjust the Luma one here a little bit. And just kind of adjust it. So this is like pink, this is like blue, green, etc. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.